Nabu, is this your level 50 box?
No, I hit level 50 a long time ago. Yo!
This shit ugly as hell.
From the video
I didn't
program.
expect to qualify for this so soon.
That's ugly as hell. I would never be happy for that.
Wait, let me see what the, I was gonna see what the box said. Wait, what does it say? Tier 1 tutorial.
Why are you happy about that?
Tutorial program.
Oh, you're one of those YouTubers, aren't you?
That's so cool.
No way, bro.
God damn.
I don't play Rec Room enough to know this.
Damn.
I can't tell.
Imagine you got the red gun. Imagine you got the red gun.